Good day everyone. Let's try to answer some problem posted on LinkedIn. And special credits to Master Elton P for sharing this wonderful question. And let's start. Here's the question. The question is, find the radius of the circle H. Now if you want to try this problem, just pause this video, and if you're ready, here's the solution. And I hope you pause this video. Now let's see if you got the correct answer. Now first thing to do is we need to construct two perpendicular lines like this. Next, let's call this segment be equal to x and this segment be equal to y. Since ABCD is a square, it follows that this segment is simply 10 minus x and this segment is 10 minus y. From point H, draw some radius to the point of tangency like this. And we know that those radius is perpendicular to the tangent segment. And let's call the radius be equal to r. Next, what we're going to do is to connect point D and point H like this. At this point, we need to rewrite the length dh squared in two different ways. To do that, we first use this right triangle. Now, using Pythagorean theorem, we can say that dh squared is equal to r squared plus 6 squared. Another way to rewrite dh squared is by using this right triangle, with one leg be equal to x and the other leg be equal to y. Therefore, dh squared is also equal to x squared plus y squared. Next, connect point A to point H. Again, do the same thing. We need to rewrite AH squared in two different ways. First one is by using this right triangle. So again, AH squared is equal to R squared plus 6 squared. Next, another way to rewrite AH squared is by using this right triangle, with one leg be equal to x and the other leg be equal to 10 minus y. Therefore, AH squared is also equal to x squared plus 10 minus y quantity squared. For the last time, connect point H and point B. Now again, we need to rewrite BH squared in two different ways. So the first one is by using this right triangle. Therefore, BH squared is equal to R squared plus 8 squared. Another way to rewrite BH squared is by using this right triangle, with the side length be equal to 10 minus x and the other leg be equal to 10 minus y. Therefore, BH squared is also equal to 10 minus x squared plus 10 minus y quantity squared. Now, don't forget our goal. Our goal is to find the length of the radius of the circle, or simply the value of r. Now, since we have three equations and three unknowns, we can now solve for the value of r. To do that, let's focus on these three equations. To solve for the value of r, we will use algebraic manipulation. This is quite easy and faster than the other method. So let's start. So take the second equation and expand. It becomes r squared plus 6 squared equals x squared plus 10 minus y quantity squared is equal to 100 minus 20y plus y squared. Now what we're going to do is to take the first equation and subtract to the second equation. If we do that, this r squared cancel out, 6 squared and 6 squared also cancel out, x squared and x squared cancel out, and these two y squared also cancel out. Now we have 0 equals 100 minus 20y. Now add 20y both sides and will give us 20y equals 100. Divide both sides by 20 will give us y equals 5. Therefore, we have the value of y. Y is equal to 5. Now, next thing to do is to manipulate this third equation. If we do that, we get r squared plus 6 squared plus 28. 6 squared plus 28 is the same thing as 8 squared or simply 64. 36 plus 28 will give us 64. Equals 10 minus x quantity squared will give us 100 minus 20x plus x squared. And then bring down 10 minus y quantity squared. Now at this point, we need to take the second equation and subtract to this equation. If we do that, we have r squared cancel out, 6 squared cancel out, x squared cancel out, and 10 minus y squared cancel out. What remains is 28 equals 100 minus 20x. Now, subtract 28 both sides and we get 0 equals 72 minus 20x. Add 20 both sides and will give us 20x equals 72. Divide both sides by 20 will give us x equals 72 over 20. Simplify and we get x equals 18 over 5. Now we have the value of y equals to 5 and now we have the value of x equals to 18 over 5. At this point, we can now solve for the value of r. Now, using the first equation, substitute all the given values and we get r squared plus 6 squared equals x becomes 18 over 5 and y becomes 5. Therefore, r squared equals 18 over 5 squared plus 5 squared minus 6 squared. Now, simplify, we have r squared equals 49 over 25. Get the square root both sides, and we get r equals square root of 49 over 25, which is equal to 7 over 5. Now, going back to our question, our goal is to find the radius of the circle, and we get the value of r, which is equal to 7 over 5. And again, don't forget the unit. We have units. And therefore, the length of the radius of this circle h is simply 7 over 5 units. And we're done.